MyPie Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome again to another episode of our learning. In our last class, we talked about Bodmas on fraction. So we're going to look at more questions in this video. So we are still on Bodmas. On fractions. Let's take a look at example 2 in this video. Example 2. In this example, the question says simplify. We have to simplify 6 whole number 3 out of 4 divided by bracket 21 whole number 1 out of 3 multiplied by 2 whole number 1 out of 4 minus 21. So the first thing we need to do here is solve everything in the bracket using Bodmas. So let's change everything to improper fraction first. So 6 times 4 will give you 24. 24 plus 3, that will be 27 out of 4 divided by bracket 21 multiplied by 3 will give you 63 plus 1 will have 64 out of 3 multiplied by 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. That will be 9 out of 4 minus 21. So let's simplify this. 4 can go here once. 4 can go in 64. That will give you 16 times. 3 can go here once. 3 can go here 3 times. So finally, we'll have 27 divided by 4 divided by 16 multiplied by 3, that will give you 48 minus 21. So we have 27 out of 4 divided by, now 48 minus 21 will give you 27. So out of 1. So this can be written as, don't forget the rule of division. You keep the first fraction, you change the division to multiplication, then you flip the next fraction to 1 out of 27. 27 can go here once, 27 can go here once. So finally we have 1 out of 4. So that is it. So let's take a look at example 2. Example 3. In example 3, we have simplify. So we have to simplify this fraction. 1 whole number 2 out of 3 of 2 whole number 1 out of 4 divided by 3 whole number 1 out of 2, then minus 1 whole number 1 out of 4. So solution. Now, let's change everything to improper fraction first. So here we have 5 out of 3. So the of can change to multiplication. 2 out of 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. That will be 9 out of 4 divided by 3 times 2 will give you 6 plus 1. That will be 7 out of 2 minus 5 out of 4. So we can have 5 out of 3 times 9 out of 4, then division will change to multiplication, then you flip the next fraction to 2 out of 7 minus 5 out of 4. So here, 2 can go here once, 2 can go here 2 times, 3 can go here once, 3 can go here 3 times. So I guess nothing again. So we have 5 times 3, that will give you 15 out of 2 times 7, that will give you 14. So we have 15 out of 14 minus 5 out of 4. So we'll find the LCM of 14 and 4. That will give you 28. So we have 28 divided by 14. That will be 2. Then you multiply your 2 by 15. 28 divided by 4 will give you 7. You multiply 7 by 5. So finally, we have 2 times 15. That will give you 30. Then minus 35. So we have negative 5 out of 28. So thank you very much. In our next class, we're going to look at 2 more examples. Thank you and have a wonderful time to yourself. Bye.